back to our channel. Today we're delving into a fascinating topic: elephants, ecology, holistic health, and the crucial role these majestic creatures play in our planet's well-being. Stick around as we explore not just the positive aspects, but also the consequences if these gentle giants were to vanish from our world. Recently, I visited the Phuket Elephant Sanctuary and learned a lot about elephants, ecology, and holistic health. Hope this video will help this sanctuary, people coming to Phuket, choosing where to see elephants, and those who want to save the world. Considering the interconnectedness of elephants, ecology, and health, supporting ethical sanctuaries like the Phuket Elephant Sanctuary becomes crucial. This sanctuary provides a haven for rescued elephants, contributing positively to both their well-being and the surrounding ecology. So not all sanctuaries are ethical. But if you want to visit the real, most natural elephant-friendly place, research becomes essential. There are some red flag points. If you want to know them, the details are below. When we arrived, we changed our shoes to the long ones provided, had a snack and coffee, and were educated about their project and elephants. Our guide then took us around while discussing each elephant. Later, there was a vegetarian lunch waiting for us. The guides here are knowledgeable and fun, entertaining us in an elephant-friendly way. Elephants are like humans, highly intelligent animals. Entertainment like performance, tricks, and riding them can be viewed as degrading for the elephant. Elephants shouldn't be used for human entertainment. Connection, elephants, and ecology. We explore the vital importance of elephants in our ecosystem, their role in seed dispersal, biodiversity maintenance, and wildfire prevention is remarkable. But what if these magnificent creatures were no longer a part of our planet? The consequences would be profound. More frequent and intense wildfires, habitat changes leading to disease-carrying rodents, dwindling food for large carnivores, and diminished seed dispersal for plants. The absence of elephants would create an ecological imbalance with far-reaching effects. In 1850, over 100,000 elephants roamed Thailand's rainforests. Today, less than 7,000 remain, both domesticated and wild. This is a result of the massive loss of their natural habitats due to human activities like logging and forest clearance. In every living being, there is a spirit that deserves respect and protection. Elephants embody that spirit. Holistic health connections. Before we delve into the potential consequences, let's connect the dots between elephants and holistic health. Caitlin O'Connell's research reveals how elephants' unique DNA repair mechanisms could contribute to cancer treatment. Their extraordinary hearing abilities also offer inspiration for advancements in hearing aid research. So there are 3 ways how you can help the sanctuary. 1. Spread awareness. Share this video and information about ethical sanctuaries on social media. 2. Visit ethical sanctuaries. Choose to visit and support sanctuaries that prioritize the well-being of elephants. 3. Donate. Contribute to sanctuaries or organizations working towards elephant conservation. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. As we wrap up today's exploration, remember that the well-being of elephants is intricately tied to the health of our planet. Let's continue spreading awareness about the importance of preserving these incredible beings. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Together, let's make a positive impact. Until next time.
happy now though.
I know.
Do they appreciate it?